Paul Yaffe, Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation, and today I want to talk to you about this brand new 2019 Street Glide. This is our tour bike. It just came back from Sturgis. It's done its job representing our products in Sturgis, and now it is ready to hit the road. Are you going to be the new owner of this bike? Let me tell you some of the things we've done to this bike and show you around it. First, as I said, it's a brand new 2019 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. The first thing we did is we added our Steamroller Touring Kit to it, which is our wide tire performance kit. It got our thicky front fender that we painted vivid black. It's got a blacked out shredder wheel. We blacked out the forks, added our Speed Freak slider covers. We added one of our swoop chin scoops to the front, painted it vivid black. It has one of our Vision X Never Night LED headlights in it. It's 40% brighter than stock with a really cool halo in it. Put a set of 10-inch monkey bagger bars on it. Then of course our power mirrors, our bullet grips, our race levers. It's got a new set of our Colt 45 exhaust system on it with our Crown King tips. I treated the whole engine compartment to Harley-Davidson's Billet Defiance engine accessories package, which is the machined rocker boxes, the machined air cleaner, cam cover, tranny side cover. It has our new I-beam brake lever on it, our wedgie floorboards. I put one of our clean and simple dash kits on it to get rid of the stock bulky dash and really make the tank look stretched. I personally love the CVO seat, so I changed out the sock seat, put one of Harley's custom saddles on it from their CVO, which is a super low profile, incredibly comfortable seat. I added a set of our swoop side covers, again painted vivid black, set of matching wedgie passenger pegs. It has our race lid lifters, our race latch inserts on it. It has one of our swoop rear fenders on it. This is our stretched rear fender that's made to match the factory bags. The coolest thing about this fender is it's treated to a series of our new lightning bolt tail lights and our Stealth 2 Frenched in license plate. These lights are so bright. Those are your running lights. They also function as your turn signals, and then of course as your brake lights as well. Super custom look, really trick, incredibly increases your visibility. A nice stretched out flowing bike, really gives the bike a custom look. I finished the other side of the bike with more of the Defiance collection. It's got a derby cover. Of course, it's got our Stealth heel shifter on it, our Stealth toe shifter on it. The bike is tuned and ready to go. I rode this bike with my wife on our anniversary trip for about 300 miles through California, just to make sure everything was beautiful. It's got 364 miles on it, full factory warranty, ready to go. Looks bitchin', sounds bitchin'. Well, god dang it, it is bitchin'. So check it out at baggernation.com. 2019 Street Glide, fully SRT customized, ready for you to take delivery of. Thanks for watching.